Professor Kindiki and a human rights lawyer was otiyo kode eweche human rights. He knows the truth. Kikwa bed jomami wacho from both sides of the mouth. Police were involved in beating up of people, negative excessive force. Manner will not be sugar-coated. The question is, from what we have, evidence Mwaseneno, and LSK Kisumu branch is collecting evidence. We have community-based organizations in Kisumu and all over the country collect evidence. Police should begin independent investigations, or wabed an independent organ mabrodil gigigi. But giving us clever talk, the kind of talk maneno from Professor Kindiki and PS Omolo, mago belittling our intelligence. The police must be held accountable.
Ero kamana inya benangino chien kintire county makisumo bendida chel kumjoke nera tero magoganda ipachoka inda keni duol mana mabendi wuoke nyaka sani kote record seyo